Samuel Wathome is preparing the land for the upcoming rainy season. For this farming family, tilling and sowing the land is second nature. Wathome has been a farmer for over 30 years, practicing ecological farming using indigenous seeds and other natural resources.
From time immemorial, farmers have been the custodians of seed. It is God-given, it's a gift from God, it is our heritage, it forms our culture, and it is what has been providing, sustaining our families.
The 67-year-old has always relied on traditional ways to diversify his crop. But generations later, the ancient tradition is under threat.
I and about other 14 farmers, smallholder farmers, have come together to challenge a law which was passed in 2012.
The legislation could make farmers in breach of the law if they share, exchange, or sell uncertified and unregistered seeds to fellow farmers.
What we are looking at is the erosion of the sovereignty of the people, and especially the smallholder farmers. And here I'm talking about seed sovereignty and food sovereignty, because food production begins from seed. So if the farmers have no control over the seed, then we are looking at a disrupted food chain.
According to Greenpeace Africa, smallholder farmers make up to 80% of the farming community. According to Nasike, the implications of this law, should it be implemented, are far-reaching.
Whoever is supplying us with the seed controls our food systems. They dictate what we eat. They dictate when we grow it and how we grow it, because most of these certified seeds encourage the use of chemical fertilizers and chemical pesticides.
As their court case continues, Wathome and his fellow farmers are grappling to understand how this law was passed.
The law is out of touch with the common man. Yes, so I don't believe that there was meaningful public participation on it.
Stakeholders say that the government needs to amend or scrap these laws that give leeway for big multinationals and profit-driven entities to control local resources. In this legal battle filed in September 2022, smallholder farmers want the courts to compel the government to review this law that punishes offenders with a jail term of up to 2 years or a fine of over $7,700, a sum that is out of reach for many small-scale farmers. The law has galvanized the community, and their hope lies in joining forces with each other and appealing to the courts for their very survival. Alexandria Majalla, TRT World, Machakos, Kenya.